Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sveton channel. Today we will talk about how to unlock your visual potential and take your performance to the next level. I'm Sviatoslav, and in this video we will be diving into the world of eye training for peak performance. So let's get started. Before we dive into eye training, let's understand of what it's all about. Our eyes are incredibly powerful tools, but just like any other muscle in our body, they can be trained and optimized for peak performance. Eye training is a set of eye care exercises and techniques to enhance visual acuity, improve focus, and boost overall eye health. Now everybody spends long hours in front of the screens. Eye training can make a significant difference in your life. Benefits of eye training. To give you an idea about the benefits of eye training, let's explore some facts behind it. Our eyes are connected to our brain, and by training our eyes, we can improve neural connections in the brain. But our main task with eye training is to eliminate accommodative spasms and unlock the full potential of our visual system. Eye training techniques. On my channel, you can find light stretching eye exercises or Sveton eye exercises explained in depth. Remember, with eye training, consistency and no eye strain is the key. Practice light stretching exercises regularly to see improvements in your vision. Eye training for everyday life. Eye training is for everyday life, from reading signs to identifying objects in a crowded environment. Our visual skills play a crucial role in vision improvement. By integrating eye training into our daily routines, we can enhance our ability to handle real-life challenges effortlessly. Now, for all of you watching, if you're ready to unlock your visual potential and take your performance to new heights, don't forget to check out our comprehensive eye training course, Eyesight Academy, in the description below. Enroll today and get started on your journey to a better vision.